Welcome to Quinn Sprint. I hope everything's going well for you. AP exams are almost here. This is your final physics reality check. Let's find out how many questions you actually get right, and don't forget to Quinn Sprint. Easy level. Alright, warm-up question, let's start light. Zero. This one should be 3 points. Speed and direction. Quick physics check, you got this. Newton. Don't overthink this one. Toward Earth. Easy start, lock your answer in. Distance divided by time. Physics basics, let's see what you remember. Changes. If you missed this, we need a review session. Matter amount. Simple motion question coming up. Kinetic energy. Think fast, what's your answer? Zero. This is straight classroom physics. Joule. Medium level. Quick concept check right here. .8 meters per square second. If keep it moving, next question. Motion. Light work if you paid attention in class. Mass into velocity. Physics fundamentals moment. Friction. Alright, last easy one, don't miss it. Work rate. Okay, difficulty just leveled up. Four times. Now we're getting into real AP territory. Momentum. Think before you answer this one. FD. This question tricks a lot of students. Potential energy. Time to test your concepts. Air resistance. Hard level. Stay focused, physics logic only. Pairs. Can you figure this out without guessing? Same time. Watch the details carefully. Mass and velocity. This one separates good from great. Ampere. Use the formula, but think first. Acceleration. Don't rush, accuracy matters. Collisions. AP students usually pause here. Work divided by time. Confidence check, what's your pick? Energy per charge. Think about forces carefully. decreases. Last question, can you finish perfect? Pick your next challenge and make sure to like, share and subscribe.